Daisy Sojare, National States, I'm with a very well-bred chief of Supreme Comrade. The Adam chief of one well-bred Ilya like that. Let me allow the chief to introduce himself. My chief, can we introduce yourself to the comrade?
Base belong. I am Chief Victor Olisemeko Okafo. Chefemi the inaugurator the celebrity Awana. The Adamic area of Ilya Basket, that is to say, the pioneer chief of Ilya Basket, Anambra State University.
The Adam chief of baskets.
Nothing.
And Akaiva chief is in this room or Nasarawa State. My chief, because I cannot throw one journalistic jump question to Uganda and you fire me answer sheet Abubakar.
Because Luta.
The girls. My chief, can you tell us why your Ilya is called baskets? Like the origin of baskets?
First. Basket, Uli is known for baskets. The town Uli is always known for making of baskets. That is why that name Ilya Basket, because of the town Uli. So that is the Genesis.
And you are the Adam chief of that Ilya.
The
girls. My chief, another reason why Nasarawa State is can you please tell us how you become a chief? Because it is federalized in that same book of books that chiefs are born, they are not made. But you cannot tell me it is only out of scalability. Because if it's by scalability, Mama Nkechi would have been an SF for a chief. Can you please tell us what made you a chief?
One thing I have to tell you is that chiefs are born.
The gods.
We are not made.
The gods.
My history of how I became a chief. My Ilya was a baby Ilya, 2010, 2009. We got a keg of office in the year 2010. And after that 2010, 2011 was the year I was coronated. But before I become, there is a terrible, I challenge you to take one post. There are many criteria that can make one a chief. One, you have to have that leadership zeal. You have to have that capacity. You are there to serve. One. Two, you have to be tickered in vibration. In all tests of capabilities,
TOK.
We call it TOK.
Jara.
You have to be Jar. And on that terrible day, we are about 9 Babasis that contested for this chief. That is pioneer chief of Ilya Basket, who will be the first in the history of Anambra State University with the chapter. That is to say Ilya Basket. And after all the indulgences of what I cannot even decode, the gods landed accordingly. Why? Because it is federalized that chiefs are born, we are not made.
The gods.
And that is the Genesis. That is how I became.
It is federalized in that same book of books that who Emu is given, Calamity is expected. So my chief, the gods decided to land on my chief and he became the Adam chief of that Robert Ilya. My chief, I have one thing I want you to tell us now. You know, some entities, in fact, animalists around the Vecinero, they have been vibrating. I want to join Kegite, but it's like Kegite is a cult. Is this, is that? Others say there's this and that. So I want you to try. What is the advice you want to give to us now about Kegite Club?
The Godama, you know, when I was AB chief during my school days, I used to tutorize the freshers, that is to say, one student, whenever they have lectures. I used to tutorize them and tell them the difference between Kegite Club and cultist.
Jara.
You know, Kegite Club is a sociocultural club. We promote African culture.
Alone.
That is one thing they should have in mind. What we do is what we call promotion of African culture. But they are differentiating us, as in they are doing confusional conferences because of the way we are doing it. I'm telling them that Kegite Club is well known all over the galaxies. If Kegite Club is a cult group, they shouldn't be performing their rights inside the school.
All the institutions.
That is what I want them to tympanize. And I used to tutorize them. I know many of them that I helped through Kegite Club as a chief. I tutorize them and tell them the difference. If you have any academic challenge, come to me. I will help you solve it. Then, when I was AD chief in Ilya Basket, we have prominent men. Our staff advisor is a professor. As in very archaic professor, very punctilious. This student affair was also in Kegite club.
So we have Kegite people around the
We have Kegite club, Kegite people around the Beslelo. That is Papa, wherever you scratch, you walk out Kegite club. It's like scratch and win.
That is to say, in Kegite club there is connection and others see there, so
that is the data
you are carried, my chief.
Whenever you tempt and vibrate, you just ayamalele because you are on crash and because you always like that when you fire.
Jara. For the very last one, my chief, please, it is vibrated in that same book of books is that I will never let you go, my chief, unless you bless me. My chief, before we punctuate this intro memo Nasarawa State, can you highlight and bless mineral resources and others in the Nasarawa State?
Ba the Godama.
Jara.
To whom Abada is giving, Orukere is expected.
Aye, chief.
Prophecies to God.
Because
vibrating within those rings of powers. Those Miki ecclesiastical powers that was brutally intercepted on my sacramental domain. That I and only I, His Kegistic Panwai Majesty, Chief Victor Lisemeko Okafor, Chefemi the inaugurator cum celebrity Awanda, the pioneer chief of Ilya, that is to say Adamic theory of Ilya. Hereby do thus.
Do my chief.
Bless this Congo that is quoting via my very before. That come the Nigo Moronto. Wherever he crash and win. And the Oladumeji Bankole will remain his case. And any group of attempt via his cocoa, but the combined forces of Mbize Club, the German day, so that he shall go gyrate, transecu, transorder cannot even code to the whole galaxy without jamming any cataclysm. God will make me a chief, I have chiefistically landed.
I am my school fees. I love my chief. This is punctuation of this moving photosynthesis. Rotate Abubakar, Dedi Akoma. Work and never shine. My chief, you are carried.
Go back.